Hey guys, I'm Wyatt Miller, Slingshot's brand manager for windsurfing and the epic sport of wingsurfing. And we're here to give you the lowdown on our two carbon Phantasm packages built specifically for wingsurfing. We've got the PFI 928 package with a huge front wing and a shorter 72 mast. And we've got the PTM 926 with a high aspect front wing and the longer 92 centimeter mast. They both have the same 710 length fuse, perfect for pumping and stability. The real glory in these things is in the mast though. The mast is the hardest piece to design, it's the hardest piece to produce, and you really want maximum stiffness. No one likes a wobbly mast. And the way we've got that is we just use the highest grade materials. It's got a 12K dual carbon core that runs down both the front and the back of the mast. That 12K carbon core is tied together with a 10K carbon I-beam down the center that provides unmatched torsional stiffness and side-to-side bend stiffness. Then they're wrapped with a bunch of wraps of 12K super high modulus carbon. So the mast is literally nice and lightweight, and frankly, it's a work of art. The other things I really like about this mast is just how big and robust this foot is. So you'll see that the foot is actually much wider than the mast itself, and that just gives you a really secure connection to your fuselage. You don't have to worry about any pitch or roll happening. It is just an amazingly robust connection. The other thing I like about this Bigfoot connection is that you have 3 screws holding it to your fuselage, and each one of the barrel nuts is removable. So if you run to the beach and you're all fired up to get out there and you accidentally cross thread one of those, you can just pop out that barrel nut, replace it, and you're right back on the water. So the tech in these masts, the weight of these masts is amazing. The other thing I really like is the big pedestal. It's got a big pedestal for a good connection to your board, and it's got 3 holes of adjustability in the front and 2 holes of adjustability in the back. So you can actually get this thing in front of your tracks and behind your tracks, which really supports the use of a wide range of wings. It's a thing of beauty. And now we're going to talk about the difference between the 2 different packages. The first package in our lineup is the PFI 928 package. It's built for progression. Like, we designed this full package to bring you from 0 to hero in windsurfing the fastest. The shorter 72 mast is going to be the choice for shallower water. It's going to be more stable when you're riding, which is going to help with progression. It's got the biggest front wing in the whole Phantasm range, which means it's going to get you going with the least amount of wind speed. If your efficiency is not that great, that's really going to help. And it's the most stable, so it's going to be the easiest to jibe. It has the lowest stall speed, which is going to help when you're doing a transition and haven't quite got your hands on the wing again yet. It's just our easiest setup to use. It's got the 400 rear stabilizer, same as the PTM 926 package. It's got the 710 fuse, same as the 926 package, which is just our favorite for pumpability, but also stability front foot to back foot. If you're looking to progress super fast, or you're riding in shallower waters, or you have super light wind where you're riding, definitely want to choose the PFI 928 package. If you have a little bit higher wind, maybe you're on to your second set of wing foiling gear, I'm super fired up about the 926 package. This is what I ride, and most of our top guys ride almost all the time. It's built for efficiency. The higher aspect front wing takes more speed to lift, and it's going to drop off, and it's going to have a higher stall speed. So you got to keep your speed up. But once you're up and cruising, it's incredibly efficient. Probably my favorite thing about the 926 package is that front wing. If I'm just trying to luff my wing and ride from swell to swell on downwind runs, sometimes your swell is dying and there's a bump in front of you and you got to cut through that bump to reach the next face. This really slim high aspect 926 wing cuts through the back of that swell like butter, allowing you to reach the next face and continue your glide. So if you're already pretty proficient at pumping, the efficiency you're going to get when you keep this wing at speed is absolutely amazing. It's also small enough of a front wing in the surface area for really good jumping. You know, all our team guys are doing backflips on this thing, huge railies. You can really load it up with even pressure into a swell and get a really big jump with it. That 92 mast I find to be the perfect size for jumping. It breaches at the right time, and it's just easy to pump once you're up there and gives you some more leeway when you're riding in really big swells. So the PTM 926 is our high aspect, tall mast package for the intermediate to advanced rider who's already getting up with no problem and is good at keeping their speed and wants ultimate pumping efficiency and the ability to really jump and boost in the air. And then our PFI 928 is going to get you from 0 to hero and allow you to get foiling in almost no wind, pump off the dock, and just be super stable and forgiving. Both great choices there, and the beauty of the whole Phantasm line, whether it's windsurfing, wakeboarding, kiting, or winging, is that all of the Phantasm pieces are interchangeable. I can put this 92 mast on the 710 fuse, or the smaller 653 fuse, or the longer windsurfing fuse. All of the wings are completely interchangeable because of this nice scalloped receiver for the front wing. This is the exact same fuse, and you have two very different shaped wings, and they work on the same fuse. So I just love that every piece of the Phantasm line is interchangeable. You can start with one package and grow your whole Phantasm family and just play with all the parts and pieces. Oh, wait, don't forget, the bag is my other favorite part. Each one of these Phantasm packages comes with this epic bag to carry it all in. And you open it up, there's this nice fleece lined pocket for your front wing. It comes with a reinforced neoprene cover for both your front wing and your rear stabilizer. Then there's a separate package for your mast, a separate package for your fuse. It just makes traveling, putting your gear away from the winter, putting it in a car with a bunch of buddies and keeping it safe really nice and easy. And it looks stylish too. So no matter what package you're getting, you get the awesome carry case, and all your pieces are compatible with every other piece in the Phantasm line.